almost there, guys. Look, guys. It comes with a brush that says Pomsies on it. It's right here. And it looks like a kitty. So you moved it in the front itself. His eyes light up. And every color means a meaning. Teal means happy. Yellow means hungry. Green means hiccup. And blue means sneezing, cough, or freezing. Rainbow means super happy. And pink means silly. Brush your Pomsy to keep him fluffy. Pomsies like to be petted. There are two centers, one in the front and one on the back. So we're gonna rub the front head. He's like rumbling. And then let me see the back of the head. Oh, that makes him purr. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to get the latest toys and clothing. So when you shake them past it, they do like a really